Kenji, I've saved you a nice piece of grilled chicken. Okay. Good boy. Kenji, that's it, but I've got another surprise. Lately, people have been sending me little gifts, and I have no idea what it is. Let's have a look. So, I've decided that each time I receive a parcel, I will show it on camera at the end of each recipe. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Is this an antique? I haven't seen anything like it before. Wow, little pepper mill. Oh, here we go, there's a note here. Wow, it's so nice. So who's it from? It's from, I won't show you the email, but it's from Billy Boy. Oh, thanks man. Really appreciate this. Very thoughtful, thank you. Wow, so it is an antique. This was purchased in France in the mid-1900s by BB's grandmother. Wow, what a charming little pepper mill. All right, so I suppose you put the peppercorns in here. Okay, let's try it out. You can adjust it, of course. So what do you think, Kenji, hey? What do you think?